The Urban Decay, the All Night Talk.
Always. That's one of the old.
Hey guys, it's your girl Sin.
And I'm Ariel.
And you're watching. We've never said that before. Okay, hey guys, it's your girl Sin.
And I'm Ariel.
And today.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Channel. Hey guys, it's your girl Sin.
And I'm Ariel.
Today we asked you guys to send us some questions on our IG and on our Twitter. So if you guys don't follow us there,
make sure you follow us now. We're gonna leave the links in the description box. So we have some little answers, some little spice, some little drama, some little tea. Keep watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe because
don't be a part of the 60%.
Literally, make sure you subscribe, guys. If you guys want to continue seeing videos from us, make sure you comment, make sure you enter. It's a relationship that we're building right now. Why are you doing that right now?
I just remembered.
Okay, we filmed the video already, but okay, go off. So the first question that we have is, how do you guys know each other?
How do we know each other tonight?
Okay, first of all, we met in university. That was like when
that was like last year,
yeah,
or like
probably
2017.
Yeah, like 2017. That's when we met.
We have a mutual friend, so
yeah,
that's how we met.
Yeah, so that's how we met, and then we just got close after.
All right, so okay. So one of the questions we got was, how long have you guys been natural?
Like, I wanna say it's been how. I'm so shocked.
I've been natural since like 20. I started last time I creamed my hair was 2016, like around August in 2016.
Yeah.
And I haven't like processed my hair since. The only thing I've gotten is like a blowout, a Brazilian, Dominican, German, whatever it's called, blowout.
I went natural technically in like grade 8. Okay, so technically I stopped like relaxing my hair 9 years ago, but I never start like doing the natural hair like grow type thing until 5th form, so I want to say that's 14, so that's 5 years ago.
And it's funny because when I was in like 3rd form,
yeah,
I like exam stress caused me to like, whenever I have like a major exam, my hair falls out.
Yeah, so
that happened to me, and I ended up like just growing out my hair for a little bit, and just like cane rate and stuff. Bear in mind, me a big tough 4th form, 5th form with cane growing on my head. It was not cute. I also like cut my hair at one point. I had that mom cut.
You like the white moms with black husbands?
The next question is, do you guys want tattoos? If so, what would you get? I definitely want tattoos.
Same.
I have a few ideas in mind, but I just haven't decided like where to put them.
Next question, what inspired you guys to start YouTube? Honestly, I wanted to start like individually. I feel like I wanted to start a YouTube for like the longest time, and I kept on talking about it, and my friends were like, you should do it, you should do it. But you know, obviously you continue talking about something until like you actually do it.
Yeah.
I feel like I was always inspired by just like content creation and like natural hair and lifestyle stuff and makeup and stuff like that. But then it just like, I feel like after we started YouTube, we got even more inspired to continue.
I was in like 4th form-ish, 3rd form-ish. I was like super insecure in high school and everything there. So I never really have friends like that to like go out and everything there, and I was not allowed to. So I used to like watch YouTube videos at home.
Facts.
So I used to be at home and I used to watch YouTube, and I was like, oh, these girls are so nice. They do makeup so well, and I've always wanted to start it, but I never thought I was like interesting enough. I never really do nothing like that, you know?
I felt like I just wasn't confident enough. Like I feel like if I sat down in front of a camera, I wouldn't even know. Still low-key don't know what we're saying, but I feel like once
it's easier to do it with
somebody, especially somebody that you can talk to.
Yeah.
Where in the world would you want to live outside of Jamaica?
Okay, I definitely want to live in Canada. Just because it's clean,
it's
and
cold.
There's not too many people, and there's cold.
And it's like, I feel like if I leave Jamaica, I still want to be somewhere that's reminiscent of Jamaica. And Canada isn't, but I feel like in their, like based on what I've seen on like in the slang, and they have like Jamaican food places. I cannot move somewhere if there's not like a Jamaican food place, or at least a Jamaican store that sells like seasonings and stuff like that we used to. I cannot live somewhere unless they have that.
Canada also has nice healthcare, and yo, the women get like 1 year pregnant maternity leave.
That's
crazy.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
The next question is, what's one song you can't get enough of recently?
Oh my god, there's a song on YouTube that I just found. Hold on.
I don't listen to like maybe artists like that. I recently started listening to Chronic Law and actually really like his voice. Anyway, my own is this song by Roddy Ricch. I soon tell you what name. I have to open my title.
His name is Vaccine, and he has this song. It's
okay, so mine is a song by Roddy Ricch. It's the intro to his album. It's called Feed the Streets 2.
Is that song?
No, he's American.
Oh.
I get racks. Louis backpack on my back.
Hey.
The city on my back. In my debit cup.
The one that we both like is by Rico Nasty, Trust Issues. If you guys don't know, you better know.
And you ride it in a rental.
Can a relationship survive cheating?
At this age, no.
At this age?
I feel like at this age, no, definitely not. But I feel like older people more likely to put up with stuff because it's harder to just get up and leave somebody when they're not just like your boyfriend, but they're your husband.
Yeah,
and you're married and
for like 6 years.
However, knowing how I am, I feel like you wouldn't survive it just because you need trust.
Yeah, and you be constantly thinking about it and everything.
But I feel like if older generations are like maybe like our parents' generation, they're more likely to like forgive things.
Yeah, and I move on.
However, at this age, we don't got the time. Like,
yeah,
there's no time for that to be happening right now.
But I guess some people can move past it at this age. So just you just need to know your relationship and your significant other.
And what you willing to handle as a person.
If it is that and if you do like decide to continue the relationship, behaviors have to change. You can't just, you know, say, oh my god, I'm so sorry, and then the same behavior.
You see the same things happening.
Yeah, nothing has changed. They aren't trying to be more open and them thing, you know?
Exactly. I feel like it depends on the type of person you are.
Yeah.
I just don't feel like at this age it would happen. You know, say you can't judge somebody. You better not judge you if you go back.
Yeah.
People might judge you, but I wouldn't judge you. Like if I see my friend, I like my girl could side eye, but
I tell her, say the boy need to change if you gotta take him back. And
yeah,
I tell him say she need to change if he might take her back.
It's funny because I feel like everybody can say the most about like other people's relationships. Yeah. But when you're in a specific situation,
exactly.
It's like, yikes! Share an embarrassing story. That's not a question. I'm not saying that. I was going to sit down and pee myself on the bus.
You pee yourself on a bus?
When I was really young though.
Oh, okay.
I was in high school. You know, guys, stuff happens.
That's so sad. I'm being genuine.
Okay.
I'm not making fun of you. An embarrassing story that I have. Am I ready to tell the internet this? Alright, I was in Canada once summer and I had a week at the time, and it was a nice week, I guess. Yeah, anyway, I went to this like trampoline place with my cousin. I think it's called Sky Zone. Yeah, my cousin took me there, and I was like, yeah, I'm having fun and stuff. And then there's like a, you know, the thing that you jump off like a diving board type of thing.
Yeah.
I went to do that, and I flipped and my wig came off.
In public?
In public. But there were that many people there.
How old are you?
Big. I was in like first year.
This is university?
Yeah. What's the next question?
Thanks, subscriber, for asking us that question and having us embarrass ourselves on the internet. We already answered how we met. What are 3 places you guys want to visit?
Fiji, Bali, and these places are so generic. And I actually really want to go to like somewhere in Europe. Like, I want to go to England.
I want to say Bora Bora.
Yes.
Bora Bora is on your list. Tanzania. I saw a couple people go to Tanzania, and the water is good.
Oh wow.
It's gorgeous, literally. Tanzania, and I want to visit a European country, like probably like France or Italy. Or I want to go ski. So probably like Switzerland or so. Alaska.
Yo.
Nobody skis in Alaska. Anyways.
Aspen. There.
Yeah.
Sorry. That's what I mean. Sure. Okay. So the first question we got on Curious Cat was, what do you do and why?
Well, currently I'm in school. I'm an accounting and banking and finance major. why. Honestly, at the time when I chose my major, it was what I was good at. Like, it wasn't because like I have an intense love for or passion for accounting or finance, but it's like, okay, we're already here, so. I'm
currently doing my master's in logistics and supply chain management, and I recently started working for a company, like interning for a company. So that's it.
Sis is making the money moves.
I wish I was. This question says single. S-I-N-G-E-L. You gotta DM us to find that out. Okay, the next question is, what camera y'all using?
We currently shoot with a Sony A6500 and we shoot with a 50mm.
Right. The next question, how can I get to know you? You can send us a DM still, we talk to you. Why we can't keep a man? Give me advice on how to attract and tie a good man. Stupid.
You know how they do that, right?
But you don't need a man, girl. You don't. If you want to, that's fine.
If you want to, that's Gucci, that's great. I feel like he'll come to you.
Yeah, honestly, if you're just being you and doing what makes you happy,
yeah, a good man will eventually come. Unfortunately, let's just hope you don't have to go through like.
You need to be a good judge of character as well, and look
maybe
at
trend, sis.
Yeah, look at like red flags. This don't apply to girls only. We're filming. Thank you. I love you guys. Post more often. Thank you.
What?
We're really trying to post more often, guys.
Yeah, guys. But I currently have exams.
Yes, school is
all over the place. As you guys, you know my usual.
Why you do YouTube?
Why we do YouTube?
What answer that I did?
Did we? We said what inspired us this time.
No, the same thing that.
No. Is it same thing?
How can I get my hair to look like that? Looking like that. I'm assuming you guys mean sinners. We have a video on how I did my hair because I did these myself. But the end of it never get filmed. I know it kind of fuzzy and like, you know. But also my natural hair is very fuzzy. Like frizzy, fuzzy, whatever you want to call it. No matter what I do to it, it always gets frizzy or fuzzy after a little bit.
We have a video on the channel like how I grew my hair. Yeah. We have videos like on hair care. But basically, I probably say genetics because I don't do much anymore when it comes to hair. I do, but I'm just not on it. Like when I was like growing out my hair and stuff like that. No, it's usually just in a bun.
Also, I don't care for my hair. Like I don't like deep condition and everything there.
It's protective style. It's the most annoying thing ever because she has really nice hair, so I don't understand. My face still red.
Just slightly. What do you guys like to watch?
What do you like to watch? Like YouTube, Netflix? When it comes to like YouTube, I like watching two new people. Well, I said the first one in a video already. I said PAQ in a video already, but I've discovered basically the female version. They're called Nevo, and they basically do the same thing, just like creative shoots, creative videos, fashion, stuff like that. That's what I'm interested in right now. I recently just started like medzing Brett Manrock.
Oh really?
He's so hilarious. Like even him and his sister Princess, they're hilarious, bro. Like I like watching them a lot. On Netflix, I started watching Dead to Me. Also, that series Bonding is the worst series to ever come out on Netflix. I'm rewatching Grace. I rewatched Naruto recently.
My mustache is popping. Okay, currently I am watching on Netflix. I'm watching like Teen Titans Go. I love cartoons. Like I love cartoons so much.
You're Pablo.
I am also watching Arrested Development. I watch like Sabrina.
Guys, I tried to watch Sabrina. Let me tell you. So this series come out. Everybody knows Sabrina Teenage Witch. We all grew up watching the show. Everybody was like, okay, Sabrina, you know, live remake, you know, we're in it, we're ready to watch. You know, grab my little popcorn, sit down, set up the TV, Sabrina on the screen. 2 minutes and I'm like, okay, it's kind of serious. Like, it was like real life witchcraft, like real life states, and I was like, okay, it's kind of strange, I don't know what's happening. Then all of a sudden, there's like 8 dead people hanging from a tree and Baphomet is coming through this. No.
Listen, I love like disturbing like shows. I love to be disturbed. On YouTube, I watch right now. I'm really into Alia's Face.
Oh yes, love her.
You guys know the typical people. It's Ashley, Jackie, Anna. I watch a lot of renovation, makeover, house stuff right now.
Like HGTV.
Yeah.
What are the top 5 things on your bucket list?
Getting a tattoo.
Jumping out of a plane. It wasn't on my bucket list at first, but then I thought about it and I was like the thrill of it.
Nah,
I'd probably want to go skydiving eventually.
I hate the feeling of falling, so that's a no for me.
Really?
Is that jumping carnival a thing to go on the bucket list?
I feel like that's possible, so it's not like a bucket list.
Okay. I definitely want to go to Europe.
There is a falls that I want to go to before I die. I don't want to say it's a place in Africa, but I don't know the exact country. I think it's the falls where you go to the edge and you can see over everything. You literally swim to the edge of the, you know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, there's a falls that you swim to like the edge and you can see over life and everything. I want to go scuba diving. We went mini snorkeling.
We did goggles and saw like under the water.
That's exactly what happened.
I know she's like
obsessed.
addicted.
Yes. So that's what I want to have. I want to go scuba diving like somewhere with like really nice coral reefs. So probably like you can do that in Jamaica because there's like really nice coral reefs like on the north coast and the south coast. So
if you guys know anywhere we can do that, please let us know.
Please, we take you guys along too. I can't swim, so it's gonna take a while.
Next question is, what kind of guys do you like? I like them tall, dark, and skinny.
I like an
short
an intelligent. It's about on the inside.
Yeah, obviously I want him to be like funny and smart and stuff like that, but nobody cares about that.
I hate men so much.
Them not stop talking no serious. So if you tall, skinny, and dark, hit her up.
I don't know if this look is popping, but I'm hoping it is. So okay. Dear loves, cleanse my ID. Okay, I need a nightly routine for oily skin / blackheads. Okay, so if you guys don't know, we're gonna link it again. We do have a video on skincare, so I'll link that. I do have oily skin, but basically what I find that helps is witch hazel. Witch hazel helps a lot, like toning your skin. Also, if you have oily skin, moisturizing is very important, so make sure you're doing that. And if you're using an oil, make sure it's lightweight and it's not clogging your pores to cause like excess oils and stuff like that. Basically, I go more in depth like in our skincare video. You guys can see like what kind of products I use to like combat that. Just check out the video, and then like if you confused or anything, you can just shoot me a DM.
How do you strike a balance between school or work and your creative ventures? Have not found the balance.
We don't
at all.
The balance is barely there. Barely existing. There's a very fine line and we're on the edge constantly.
Definitely.
Basically, I feel like good time management though is where it is, but that requires discipline.
We know that.
So basically, I feel like you just need good time management and discipline, and like if you have schoolwork to do, you're like you just have to set out days. Yes, you have to set out days where you're gonna dedicate to school and you're gonna dedicate to creating.
Yeah.
And that's even harder because most times when I'm done with schoolwork, I'm so exhausted. It's just like there's not even a balance sometimes. Or like when I spend a couple days to edit a video and then I don't have like enough time to spend on schoolwork or whatever.
Yeah.
You just have to like find your balance. We are still very new and the balance has not been found, but we're finding it.
A question we got was what Netflix series are you currently obsessed with? We answered those. Thoughts on the men are trash discussion.
There's no thoughts, it's facts.
That's true. I just hope that people
understand why you're saying it and not like just
and not sensationalizing it.
Yeah, because it's more than just like
boyfriends being mean. Like that's not men are trash.
Like,
in my opinion, that is not men are trash. Men are trash have to do with the behaviors.
It's just like there's so many things.
It's deep.
It's deeper than the music. It's not just like even though I will say that there have been like just trash men in relationships and all of that.
Yeah,
but I feel like relationships is
it's just a small
part of like the whole problem and the entire problem. And then like stop acting like you don't know what people are talking about when we say men are trash.
Exactly.
Like we're not talking about like
your boyfriend who you wake up to good morning text and him buy a flower. That way I talk about my girl. No, those things upset me, man. Talk about I can't relate.
Like okay,
so a man has never harassed you at work, at school, on the road.
And you know what? If you can't relate, I'm very happy for you, and I'm very lucky that happened to you in your life. But unfortunately, people can't relate.
No,
and that's why
you
the
don't have to
conversation.
experience something to be able to know
to have
empathy.
You don't. Or to understand that something exists. But people like to just like throw things to the side and act like it's not important.
I can't relate to them in our trash discussion. Okay, sis, don't talk about it.
When I see women that like go against the movement,
And it's not a justified go against movement
exactly.
where they're like, okay, you're just this specific person is sensationalizing it. Let me not like engage with her.
You literally just sound loud and wrong. Like you're screaming stupidity, and ignorance isn't something that we should all like continue to walk in. It's better to just educate yourself on the topic before you start.
Exactly. And you could possibly be a lawyer, so you need to be able to understand that you have to educate yourself before you speak.
It's got very specific. I try to avoid things like that because to me it's annoying and it's triggering, because it's like not only is there not only is there like a lack of attention to the issue itself, but then when people are trying to bring attention to it, you're pushing down the movement without even knowing the movement. It's like Black Lives Matter and All Lives Matter. It's like I don't understand how you're going against something if you don't even know.
And Black Lives Matter does not equal All Lives Don't Matter.
We're just saying
highlighting a specific group of people. When
guys come and they're like, oh, not all men.
We know it's not all men.
Do you want to come closer to the laptop? Do you, sir, that tweeted that? Do you want a cookie?
What's your hidden talent? Sinara is a really good dancer and singer.
Dancer? What'd you say, dancer?
You guys.
Her photography is like, but she's not plugged for photos. The sharpshooter, you feel me? Like she walks with that, she carries that thing on her. You
always got that thing on me. That. What is a must try from the new Fenty collection? We've only tried 2 products: the foundation and the lip gloss.
The highlights of Hustler Baby.
The Hustler Baby is actually really good.
Honestly, I love the foundation, if you guys know.
Yeah,
but you already know our woes with the shades. That we didn't get our shades, so that's like an issue that we had. But the foundation is bomb, the gloss is bomb. I want to try the new lip scrubs that they're coming out with, and they came out with new like lip colors. By the way, I stand Fenty, and I need to try the bronzers as well.
Yeah. Okay, next question: is the beauty blender overhyped?
Is the beauty blender overhyped? I don't think it is. Like, I really bought me these new sponges. These are the Real Technique sponges. I like them, but I actually do prefer the beauty blender.
Yeah, but I want to try this one that Alyssa actually uses. I forgot the name. Okay, what is your favorite piercing?
My nose piercing.
Same. I love my septum ring so much.
Same.
Especially because I can like hide it to go to work and stuff like that. Why are you running?
That's a question?
Yes.
That's crazy. No.
If you could pick a hair color for Sinara or Ariel, what would it be and why?
Blonde. Yes. I would give Ariel a blonde, or like you know those, I keep on telling her to get, those faux locks. She needs to get them in like a brown color, like similar to your hair color. Yeah, she should get those. That's what I want. That's exactly what specifically hairstyle and color that I want her to get.
I want Sinara to have like an exciting hair color. Oh, like purple.
Black not exciting enough for you?
No,
it doesn't
do it for me.
Okay. Also guys, if my hair is brown, I'm stupid. There's powder all over my face.
Nike or Adidas?
From your Nike or Adidas. Checks over stripes.
Nah nigga, nah.
Let me tell you.
For slides, Nike. But for like
sneakers, yes.
Definitely Adidas.
Cause like Nike slides are extremely actually no, I've never actually tried Adidas was like that, but Nike slides are extremely comfortable.
And they look better than the Adidas ones in my opinion.
Which ones are you talking about? Because Adidas has some really nice ones.
Yeah? I've only seen the regular one with just the stripes across the top.
No. They have ones that are like monochromatic.
Oh.
But honestly though, checks over stripes for slides, and you already know it's for sneakers, we're going Adidas all the way.
Definitely.
The NMDs, that's my
jam.
That's our shoe. That's what it is, you feel me? What's your favorite colors?
Purple.
Green. In terms of clothes, I'm always in black, usually, so.
Both single or both in a relationship, send us a DM. We can talk. Why do females play the victim when they're wrong? Wow.
What? Okay, first of all, it's obvious that you're referring to a very specific situation.
Yeah.
Sir. But I'm gonna assume that she's most likely not just playing the victim, and there's probably a reason why she's acting like that. And
you just don't know.
Yeah, I find that's a trend.
Yeah, men like to downplay women's emotions just because they don't share the same emotions.
And it's like, you would know that she's feeling this way. Why you're assuming that she's just like playing the victim?
Yeah.
Not saying that there are women out there that do that, but I'm just saying you have to first look at the situation like,
you have to look at it through her eyes and try to see what she's feeling or what could have contributed to the feelings.
Yeah, and then if she's just like, you don't know what she's. Your eyes red.
You guys usually just don't like want to understand
or fully understand. You're just like, a lot of times I see in relationships, it's just like people are like, you know how you feel about something, and the other person knows how they feel about something. But
they don't try to understand each other.
It's like perspectives. So you can't just like say, oh, she's playing the victim without understanding why she was upset about whatever she was upset about. If you get what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, and typically issues run a bit deeper for women because of, you know, like society and standards and
you don't know exactly what she's going through at the time. So it's just like understand if there's a deeper thing behind why she's acting the way she's acting, and if you exhaust all those options, then you're like. But right off the bat, calling somebody playing the victim, you can't just assume somebody's playing victim.
Exactly. Just because you don't agree with it, or just because you did something wrong and don't want to admit it.
There you go.
Somebody asked us, is it weird if you butter your bread before you toast it? No, I don't think so. I put mine in a toaster oven.
Oh so I put mine in first. No, if usually I don't have a toaster oven, but if I'm using somebody's sauce, I put the butter on first.
You put the butter on first?
No, after.
Yeah, if I'm using a toaster.
The butter will like make it. You know doing the on your lips?
I just did Fenny.
That's it.
Why are you never pleased with me? Why am I never enough?
No, but because you look like you're bleeding on like your lips.
Oh yeah, true.
Guys, it's 5:39 and Arlie is supposed to meet her friends at 6. We're not done.
I am ready. Sinara is not ready. I want to start YouTube. What did you use as motivation? Just want to create, dog. Like,
yeah, that's cool that people have like a platform that they can like express their thoughts on stuff that interests them basically. So I was like, that's cool, that's dope. I'd love to be like a part of that. So you know, we just did the lashes. You know, we came through all mink.
100%. And these lashes are from Bangin' Beauty.
You already know who it is.
Y'all need to follow them on IG. They're about to launch. We got some hot stuff. They got some hot stuff. They got some hot stuff.
Yo, lashes literally bring a look from 0 to like, because this eyeshadow did not look this nice 2 seconds ago.
Also guys, don't mind my hair. As I said, it's a little fuzzy. She's broke, so we're working collarbone.
Guys, please tell Ariel to do faux locks. Highlighter.
Okay, the next question is favorite high school memory.
Favorite high school memory?
Like all of sixth form for me.
Sixth form was the best part of high school because it's like you're still in high school but you're not. I don't know, sixth form was just like the only part of high school that counted.
Thanks. Any tips for starting YouTube?
You have a dog?
No. Any tips for starting YouTube? You gotta want it.
The number one tip though is literally that you have to be like passionate and motivated, and it can't be based on materialistic and frivolous stuff, because if it is, then you're going to be miserable. The aim is to like enjoy what you're doing, and there's always going to be someone that's going to be drawn to your personality, because I feel like when we just started, we are not like out there people, like that's just not how we are in general. But I feel like we have fun doing makeup, we have fun being us and being together on camera,
editing and stuff like that.
And content creation, we just always want to challenge ourselves, you know, switch it up with the backgrounds, but it's just like we just always want to elevate ourselves, and I feel like YouTube challenges you.
Yeah, definitely, because you have to keep it fresh though.
Exactly.
And in terms of like filming stuff, we would suggest lighting is the best. Like,
it's not even
stuff.
It's more important than the camera, because you can have a good quality camera, but if you don't like have good lighting, then it's gonna be. But you can actually make the quality of your videos better with lighting, even if your camera isn't like super expensive.
If you're using like a phone camera or anything like that, because the phone camera is actually like really good. You need for that shit like come here.
Why? Because it burns?
Yeah, and smell weird.
It does, but I want to try the Urban Decay, the All Night Talk.
Always. That's one of the old.
My eyes are open. I was talking to you.
Oh, you started using. You don't want to try the Morphe one.
My face is drenched.
Why did you soak your face?
You turn on the fan. I didn't think so much would come out. No, I'm being serious. I didn't think so much would come out.
Sinara, your face wet enough?
We're trying my face to define because we have like 20% on the camera.
558.
Okay guys, so those are all the questions that you had for us today. Those are all the questions that we answered today. Thank you so much for interacting with us and spending time with us today.
Send us more questions like in general.
Yeah, and
we'd
so
be happy to answer them.
also let us know if you guys like these kind of videos. We feel like we don't want to just be here throwing content in your face.
Yeah, we like to interact with you guys more, so
yeah,
it can be like conversation, you know, back and forth.
Yeah.
The eyelash here just nah, come on.
Let me see.
Also, please send us an AC.
We can't film with the fan because it's extremely loud. But you know, Jamaica is 3 million degrees at
if you
every point in
guys,
time.
you know, work at ATL, if you're not rich, if you're not kind,
just give us an AC unit. Yeah, but guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks so much for sending in your questions, and
we'll see you guys in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.